Hi again. Let's finish those ads using the ad builder. In this lesson, you'll find out how it works and how to create the best ads in the business.
The ad builder has three main features. First, the tool allows you to obtain insights from your competitors' ads with the Use as Template feature. Second, the ad builder helps you create your own ads, which you can export to AdWords or re-upload to the AdWords builder later. Finally, with the help of the tool, you can create, import, or export ad extensions.
Let's look at how the ads builder works. During the setup step, the tool will automatically suggest a list of your main rivals. Clicking Setup takes you straight to the Ad Research tab. It is here that you can research which ads the competition is running in the text and display sections. When you first configure the tool, you'll be asked to enter the domain of one of your competitors. We will use the site pizzahut.com as our seed URL, as the company has a ton of ads running and could be a great source of ideas. Then we will select our database and click Search. What kind of content your competition is running is the key to beating them. Instantly, we are presented with many of Pizza Hut's text ads, but by clicking the segmented tab button for display ads, we can see the visuals it is paying to display on the Google Display Network. If we click the disclosure caret, SEMrush displays all the keywords that could trigger that ad to be displayed. You will also see the position the ad holds on the search engine results page, as well as the level of competition. In other words, how many competitors are bidding on that keyword. A competition level of 1 means you will have to spare no expense to get your advertisement in the number 1 position. One useful tip is that you can click to export these keywords back to the PPC keyword tool for analysis. If you find an advertisement you really love, just click the Use as Template button and modify it for your own purposes. The modal window is divided into 2 parts. The left side contains all the components of your future ad, including its headline, description, URL, tracking code, and more. The right side of the modal window helps you take a sneak peek into your rival's strategy while you write your own text, much like you saw in the previous screen. Just remember that for idea research you have 2 options. You can choose one of your rivals in the drop-down menu and see what products they promote and how. If you absolutely love someone's ideas, simply use it as a template in one click and start updating it. Alternatively, you can also type in your seed keywords and look at different messages that your marketing campaign delivers to potential customers. Don't stress if you didn't find any ads that you like. Ad research is for creative inspiration, so if you get stuck, just choose another database or simply explore other competitors. It's all about your imagination. Note that in the bottom portion of the modal window, you will be able to see a preview of your future ad. Also know that clicking Reset to Initials will revert your changes back to the template you chose. Notice the tracking code is automatically generated for you, saving you time and preventing errors. After creating something amazing, click on the Save Ad button, and then the Export button. You can download a CSV formatted file with your new ads that can be immediately uploaded to Google AdWords. You can also choose to export a PPC map. A PPC map, while not compatible with Google, is an Excel file that serves as a sort of visual representation of your ads, campaigns, groups, and keywords. SEMrush now offers you the ability to build display advertisements within the Ad Builder tool. Click the Display Ads tab and see how it works. You can return to the Display Ads segment of the Ad Research tab and find an example if you want to use it as a template, or you can create an entirely new advertisement from scratch by clicking New Ad, then choosing Manual or From File. On the left, you will see text fields like earlier, when you wrote a text advertisement, but at the bottom you will see graphics fields where you will upload the images you want to have displayed. On the right, you can click the arrows to see your advertisement in the various responsive formats that Google will serve. Now let's click Save Ad, and we will cover the final feature in the Ads Builder. Click on the Extensions tab in the Ads Builder, then click the New Extension button. In addition to importing, you have the option to create 4 types of ad extensions. Site links, which serve to highlight a specific URL of your site. For example, if you wanted to highlight your store hours page. Callouts, which are extensions that highlight a specific attribute of your business. For example, if you offer free shipping or free returns or price matching. Structured snippets, which display a header and a list of values. Imagine you are advertising a new cooking school. Your header might read courses, and your values might include pizza making classes or cheeseburger making classes. And finally, calls. Do not make your potential customers hunt for your phone number after they have clicked your advertisement. Instead, implementing the calls extension means they can reach out and touch someone with just one click. Do note, you can implement ad extensions at the campaign and group levels. Let me end this segment by suggesting a few tricks and tips for ad building. First, create multiple copies of ads. So if you're advertising a tour of Prague, let's say, one version could talk about the historical value of the city. Another could talk about the low prices. And a third could emphasize the food and drink culture in the Czech capital.
Second, create Google ad groups to assist you with A/B testing. Imagine one ad gets a click-through rate of 2%, while the other gets 3%. That extra 50% return could mean big revenue for your business over the course of the campaign.
Third, consider implementing dynamic keyword insertion. You can learn all about it in the About menu. It can help you improve your ad's relevance to potential customers by automatically updating your ads with the keywords in your ad group that caused your ads to show. Imagine you have an advertisement running for Apple smartphones, like the iPhone 8 or the iPhone 10. If you bid on keywords with iPhone 8 or 10 in them, the advertisement could automatically render with those keywords the user entered, thus delivering more relevant ad copy to the user.
Fourth, think about employing ad extensions. Ad extensions functions as a great call to action for potential customers. Imagine how much easier it is for customers to click a link in your ad to phone you than it is for them to click the link that goes to your landing page, hunt for that number, and then copy and paste it into their phone app. Ad extensions take the frustration out of the customer experience of connecting to your employees directly. Also, they increase your ad rank, which in turn improves the chances of hitting top paid rankings.
And finally, and perhaps most importantly, get a native speaker to proof your ads. Nothing turns potential customers off faster than an advertisement chock full of misspellings and poor grammar. As with all new tools, practice makes perfect. So go forth and market. Good luck!